Bonjour la classe. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre aller et le futur proche. So we learned aller is to go, and we're going to learn how to use it with the near future, or le futur proche. We do this in English, so we will look at some examples. So this is the futur proche. We're going to the party in an hour. I'm going to call tomorrow. She's going to study later. They're going to eat soon. Okay, so when you're expressing that you're going to do something soon, that is the near future. So if we look at this timeline, we have le passé, which is the past. Le présent is the present, and le futur is the future. So le futur proche, it's here, it's close to the present time. So let's review the forms of aller. Je vais, I'm going. Nous allons, we're going. Tu vas, you informal go or are going. Vous allez, you formal or you plural go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. On va, one goes, or sometimes used as we go. Ils vont and elles vont are they go. Okay, so when using le futur proche, it'll look like this. You have your subject first, then the verb aller to go, but it has to be in the present tense. So that means your verb must agree with the subject. It must be conjugated using the chart that we just looked at. And then the last part will be the infinitive of the action verb. So whatever the action is that you're going to do, that verb is not changed. It keeps the er, re, or ir ending. Okay. So what that'll look like, par exemple, je vais manger. Je vais manger. I'm going to eat. So je is our subject, vais is the je form of aller, and then manger, remember the er means to eat. So we don't take it off. Je vais manger. Now to use the negative, you'll use ne or the an apostrophe if it comes before the vowel, and the pas, and these two parts will go around your verb. Okay, so what that looks like, je ne vais pas manger. Je ne vais pas manger. I'm not going to eat. Okay. Je ne vais pas manger. So your negative, those parts go around the aller that's in the present tense. Okay, and then your infinitive, your action verb that keeps the er, re, or ir ending comes after the pas. And some other vocabulary words you might use with le futur proche. Demain is tomorrow, plus tard, later, and bientôt is soon. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire demain? What are you going to do tomorrow? Je vais dormir beaucoup. I'm going to sleep a lot. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire plus tard? What are you guys going to do later? Nous allons rendre visite à notre grand-mère. We're going to visit our grandmother. Okay, and then est-ce que tu vas étudier? Are you going to study? Je ne vais pas étudier parce que j'ai faim. I'm not going to study because I'm hungry. Okay, and remember that j'ai faim, that's one of our avoir expressions that we learned previously. Alright, and that is how we use le futur proche. À la prochaine.